Let's suppose I'm watching this. I say, I hear what you're saying, but I'm going to try to find some venture firm I'll go. It may not be Andreessen Horowitz or Sequoia, but it'll be okay. I'll try it. I'll learn. What should somebody look for in a venture fund that they're going to invest in? There's a track record, quality of the people, how much money the people in the firm are putting into the deals. What should they look for?
Yeah, so the big thing is the best entrepreneurs get to pick their investors, right? It's the reverse of how most investment markets work, right? So the best entrepreneurs get to select who invests, which venture capital firm invests. And so what you want to pay a lot of attention to is this sort of difference we described between sort of this phenomenon of adverse selection versus positive selection, right? So adverse selection is the deal that I can get into is not the one I want to be in. Right. Positive selection is basically an investor whose brand is magnetic such that the best entrepreneurs will want to be associated with that investor. And the way this market tends to work is there are a set of investors that the best entrepreneurs want to take money from, and then there's a lot of other investors that they don't, and that ends up being the kind of big hinge in the market.
The standard way venture firms work is you commit capital, let's say over a 5-year investment period, something like that. Is that right, more or less?
Yeah, exactly right.
And then the fund just typically lasts maybe 10 years or so?
15, well these days longer, so often 15, often the tail extends out to 20 years, because these companies take a long time to develop.
And somebody that invests in a venture fund today should be trying to get rates of return of 20%, would you say, or more?
You know, top-end venture is sort of 3x net of fees. You know, ideally you're hoping for more than that. You're hoping for 5x or more. You know, you're illiquid the entire time, right? So you would hope to get paid for the illiquidity.
And today,
so yeah, maybe 20 to 40% if things go well is sort of baseline.